Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So this video is especially for the candidates who are looking for the PhD fellowship without qualifying the UGC NET or GATE. And here whatever the amounts mentioned here, that is the candidates who are going to start the PhD, they will get the 35 lakh rupees up to 4 years. And the candidates who are already at the ending stage or else or already you are pursuing the PhD, then you are going to get the 7 lakh rupees, fine, for 1 year. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so all of you are much aware about the Google PhD fellowship program. So if you are not aware this one, then please know right now. So before continuing this video, first have a look on the topics here guys. So if you are not belongs to these topics, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are doing or else who wants to do the PhD in these disciplines or the departments. Okay. So algorithms, optimization and markets, computational neuroscience, health research, human computer interaction, machine learning, machine perception, speech technology and computer vision, mobile computing, natural language processing, privacy and security, programming languages and software engineering, quantum computing, structured data and database management, systems and networking. Okay. So the candidates who belongs to these areas, okay, here the Google PhD fellowship program is available guys, so you may utilize this opportunity. So you may first have a look in this one. So Google PhD fellowship directly support graduate students as they pursue their PhD as well as connect them to the Google research mentor. Okay, so nurturing and maintaining the strong relationships with the academic community is top priority at Google, and the Google PhD fellowship program was created to recognize outstanding graduate students doing exceptional and innovative research in areas relevant to computer science and the relevant other related fields. And the fellowship supporting promising PhD candidates of all backgrounds who seek to influence the future of technology. Okay, and the Google mission is to foster inclusive research communities and encourage people of diverse backgrounds to apply. So we currently offer the fellowships in Africa, Australia, Canada, East Asia, Europe, India, New Zealand, Southeast Asia and the United States. Okay. So here, while coming to the India, so you may check down. Right now the application is open for the Africa, and you may check down while coming to the India. Application for the 2021 program will open in the March 2021. So that means in the next 15 days of this March, we can expect the application for this Google PhD program as per our country. Fine. So let us have a details regarding the frequently asked questions. That means you might be having the doubt that how much fellowship we will get. So for this one, here I will show you. So coming to our country, so early stage PhD students up to 4-year fellowship is available, and US dollars $50,000 will be available. Okay, so $50,000 means you can take the 50,000 into 70. That means approximately if $1 is equal to 70 rupees, then you may get approximately the 35 lakh rupees to cover the stipend and other research related activities, travel expenses including the overseas travel. Fine. And the Google research mentor also will be available. And the late stage PhD, that means the candidates who are already doing the PhD, then the US dollars 10,000 to recognize the research contributions, cover stipend and other research related activities, travel expenses including overseas travel. Okay, and the Google research mentor is also available. Fine. So these are the amount guys. Next, so is my university or the college eligible for the PhD fellowship program or not? So let's have a look here. For the Africa, India and Southeast Asia, applications are open to students in computer science or an adjacent field. That means whatever the fields I shown you at the starting of this video, from any African or Indian university or from any university in an eligible Southeast Asian country. Okay, so these candidates, that means the students who belongs to the Indian university or else from any other university, okay, eligible for this fellowship program. Okay, and what are the eligibility requirements for the students? So you may check down here the eligibility requirements for the students as far as India. So full-time graduate students pursuing PhD. Okay, and enrolled in African, Indian or Southeast Asian institution. Undergraduate or master students and professionals may apply. Undergraduate and master students, applicants must be currently enrolled, and the full-time students at an African, Indian or Southeast Asian university, right? So here the few more points are given here, so you may check down, guys. For your reference purpose, I will provide this link at the end of this description box of the video. So please go through this one. Okay, and if you are having any queries, then put your query in the comment section. Okay, so I will come up with one more video regarding your queries, guys. So please utilize this opportunity. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide